Hello. Today we're going to learn how to create an agent-to-agent referral form in DocuSign. When you get to DocuSign.com, 9 times out of 10 this is what your page looks like. You want to go to your initials and you're going to want to switch to rooms. Once you're in rooms, you're going to want to get to the documents page. When you get to the documents page, you're going to want to go to Add, and you're going to want to select DocuSign Forms. Once here, we will go to KW and we are going to go to the search and type in referral. Select the form and add selected. Once it is in here, we open it up. Once we have the form open, we're going to select our market center, and then we are going to select the receiving office. This is the agent who is receiving the lead. It will go there. The agent sending the lead, their information goes here. We then enter in, if it's a seller, the seller's information, or if it's a buyer, we enter in the buyer's information. And then we enter in our referral agreement. If we agree to 25% of the gross commission, and then we select whether it's the list side or the buyer side. At that point, we sign and we send it off. If you want to do it all in the envelope, you can select the referral form, create envelope, and whether you're the receiving or referring broker, you would select and continue. We would enter our name and our email address here. Then we would hit next. And here's where we'd enter all of the information that we need. Our signature and date is already on here, and we would hit send to send it to ourselves for signature. Then we would download it and send it over to the receiving agent. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions or concerns, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.